In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Google Ads specialist, what do they do, how much are they paid, and more. Let's start with the role itself. A Google Ads specialist plans, launches, and optimizes campaigns that bring in leads or sales. That begins with smart campaign setup, researching keywords to match how people actually search, structuring accounts and campaigns so budgets and targeting are clean, installing conversion tracking before spending a dollar, writing compelling ad copy, and aligning landing pages so visitors see exactly what the ad promised. Once campaigns are live, day-to-day management kicks in. You'll optimize budgets, choose and refine bid strategies, and run A/B tests on headlines, descriptions, and extensions. You'll add negative keywords to block irrelevant traffic and steadily improve quality score by boosting relevance, click-through rate, and landing page experience. Optimization and reporting are where results compound. You'll analyze performance data, lower cost per lead or sale, and scale the campaigns that are working while pausing what isn't. Clear reports help clients or managers see what changed, why it matters, and what's next. To do this well, you'll need a blend of technical and soft skills. On the technical side, Google Ads across search, display, YouTube, and Performance Max, keyword research tools, conversion tracking, using GA4 and Tag Manager, and basic landing page knowledge. On the soft side, analytical thinking, clear communication, problem solving, and client management. A degree or license isn't required. Certifications are recommended, especially Google Ads Search, GA4, and Tag Manager, because they boost credibility, though real skill comes from practice. Compensation varies. Full-time roles in 2025 typically pay around $4,000 to $7,000 per month in the US and Canada, $3,000 to $5,500 in Europe, and roughly P40,000 to P100,000 in the Philippines. As a freelancer, expect about $500 to $1,500 per client per month, $50 to $150 per hour, and $2,000 or more for full account setups. Top specialists often manage 5 to 10 clients. Working at an agency offers stable income and fixed hours. Freelancing offers higher upside and flexibility but full responsibility. Your daily toolkit includes Google Ads, GA4, Tag Manager, Keyword Planner, Sheets, or Looker Studio, and a simple landing page builder. To practice without clients, build a test campaign, run ads for your own site, offer free management to a small business, use a sandbox environment, and audit public accounts. Experience outweighs theory. Your roadmap is straightforward. Learn the basics for 2 to 4 weeks, get certified, build hands-on experience with small budgets, and weekly optimization, create a portfolio with screenshots, KPIs like CTR, CPA, and ROAS, and before and after results